The reception is the first point of contact for all patients who enter the hospital. And even though I work here as an ophthalmic assistant, I also work here as a receptionist because it is very important to lay down a good first impression. This is the patient's lounge. This is where the patients fill up their registration forms and also wait in line to see the ophthalmologist, doctor. Not just that, we also do some preparatory work here. We dilate the patient's eyes before they can go to see the doctor. This is the refraction room. As you can see, it is a well-lit room. We test the patient's vision over here. The patient is kept 6 meters away from the distance vision testing chart. The frame that Harish is placing on the patient is called a trial frame. We put the different lenses to check whether the patient's vision is improving. These lenses are called trial lenses. The trial lenses and trial frame are kept in the trial box. There are other instruments in the refraction room, such as the autorefractometer and the retinoscope. But you will learn about these instruments later. And this is the consultation chamber. The doctor, who we call the ophthalmologist, is examining the patient. This chair unit is meant for the patient. This is the doctor's table, and this is the attendee's chair. The attendee's chair is meant for anyone that is accompanying the patient to the clinic. So, that was the consultation chamber where the ophthalmologist examines the patient. This is the operation theatre. It is a very sterile environment, which basically means that its surrounding areas are kept very clean and sanitized. All eye surgeries take place in the operation theatre. What's more, there are nurses inside to help the doctors in the OT. And this is the cataract counseling room. Here is where I bring the patients that are due for their cataract surgery. I also use these charts and samples as examples while I'm counseling them. The cataract counseling unit is a specialty clinic. Let's have a look at another specialty clinic. The contact lens clinic. Specialty clinics are but small rooms equipped and designated for various subspecialties in ophthalmology. The optometrist is the main person in charge of giving the right contact lenses to the patients, referring to the doctor's prescription. So friends, I hoped you liked the tour of the eye clinic, but that's not all. There is an optical showroom attached to the clinic. I'm going there for some work now. I'll see you there.
Why don't you take a look at the area of an ophthalmic clinic once again?